how to unhide like and view counts on your account on Instagram PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to instagram.com. this is the home page. Now go to the top here, click on your profile picture and go to settings. As you can see, now after you go to settings, all what you have to do is simple. Just click here on this privacy and security option. Now after you click on it, all what you have to do is so simple. Scroll down until you find the posts option and click here to unhide, and that's it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.